In HTML, we have characters that have special meaning. So for example, when you're creating a tag, you start with the angle bracket. So when HTML sees an angle bracket, it is most often associated with a command. Now, the issue with that is, if I am writing a simple text, but in the text I want to include an angle bracket, HTML might interpret that as a command. Let's say I want to print how to use a system first, but I want to surround it with an angle bracket. Now, this is not a tag, I just want to do this. HTML will try to see if system is a tag. When we view this on the website, you see that it eliminated the system text because of the error. System might be assumed to be a tag. Now, we can use character references. To sort out this problem, there are some characters that reference some other special characters. For example, these are the character references for the left and right angle brackets. By using them, you can see that we were able to surround the system text with left and right angle brackets without having that initial issue. So for each special character, when you want to use them in HTML, you can use the character reference so that HTML knows that, alright, I know you want this character, but at the same time, I know it doesn't mean a command. So I will just display it as a pure text.